we're going to take a look at these glasses, guys. Whoa, and we actually are doing on the stream deck. So, oh, we're playing it from a phone. Sorry, from a phone. That's what we're looking at.
Yes, sir. I have the ones next to you connected to an OLED switch, and then I have the ones next to you connected to a PS5 as well.
Can you do this on this one too? Can you with the same connect? Can you use the same glasses? They're all different.
No, all these glasses are the same. Okay. They're just connected to different external devices.
Okay.
Anything Type C, you plug right into.
So everywhere I turn, the whole system turns. I'm looking at almost like an 80-inch screen, maybe I would say.
201 inch.
It looks 80 to me right here. I just saw 100 over there, man. There's no way. There's no way. You guys are a joke. Who measures this? I want to know who measures that. There's no way. After coming from that side over there, the same unit you guys, oh my God.
So what it is, extended reality, it's basically simulating a 201-inch Micro-OLED display.
What's the resolution on each side?
1080p, 120 refresh. Available on Amazon.
Perfect. We're gonna get one for free. For free. We're gonna get one for free. My friend's gonna hook me up here today. I'm just joking. Actually,
don't give him my name.
Don't worry. This is not bad.
I'm gonna turn my badge like this.
I'm trying to hustle him. I got some cash here.
You hear him?
Yeah. So it's not bad, actually.
Well, delete that video, please.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
He wants to know who's measuring the 201 inches because he says it's that are magnetic right into the glasses.
So this is provided
basically,
as well.
you go to your optometrist to get your prescription, and at that point, they can put your lenses in there that can be removed that fast for yourself or for anyone to use. You have speakers up here on top. Absolutely no battery power because the battery power from these is coming from the external device. The reason they didn't give it battery power because it'd be a little bit heavier on your head, around your ears, and it might start to disturb you after some time. Lenses.
Blackout? How do you black it out?
No blackout because it's not transparent.
You don't have the extra shades for blacking out because it is a little distracting sometimes on a lighting area, on the warning outside, you know.
Definitely. Right now at CES, there's a lot of light pollution. It's bright and sharp. I've had people kind of put their hands next to the side for that experience. Much brighter. On the bottom, you can go up and down to adjust the brightness level. That's going to help right now with the darkness as well. So one last thing too, you can actually adjust the frames here. And then for me, when I put them on, I pull them away from my face a little bit to get the full 201 inch
that makes sense.
in view. Do you know your prescription?
To be honest with you, I don't know it. All right, let me tell you my experience on the actual system itself. So I'm looking now. This one actually looks like a little larger than the last one. So you're right. This one actually feels more than that one. Those are like 80-inch, man. Now, yeah.
It's because they got the lenses under. Yeah. Well, no.
It was shorter. It was short. This actually fills up more.
So you think that's 201 valid? Are we good?
That
now?
one, yeah. This is actually, this is.
Because it depends on the measurement, the distance. Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell the difference. Now, what I'm looking at, it's a clear picture of FIFA. We're playing FIFA right now. And this is perfect with the Xbox that we're looking at right now. It works with any functions you have. It's a Type-C connection, different modules you can do, HDMI connections. It's transparent. You can see some of it on the side of it, but there's no blackout. But it's working very well. We have lights all around our studio here, but you can still see the game very good. And right now I just got scored. Wish I could show you exactly what I'm doing. Everywhere I tilt my head, I can see the display. Everywhere I move, I could take this on the road. Now, this is tether. It's tether in. It's gonna require the actual connection. So there's no mobile station, but it does connect to your phone. It powers through your phone, and adjustments can be made through the side here. Of course, if you guys saw different lenses for if you wear glasses, which you can do. This is great. Like I said, always start away from you and then close to you. So pretty good. Let me see if I could get my camera in here. You can see some of the screen there. 1080 on both screens. Look at this. Crazy. They're on sale on Amazon right now. They have them.
Oh, there's ones on there.
Oh, no, it made it work. I was wondering why it was that.
So they have them on Amazon on sale, and I think we're gonna have to jump the gun and get something like this. So, speakers on the top, very good, easy to use, module included. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video.